दुबई को you have traveled across the globe. दुबई में what is that you like which is different from other big cities like New York, London, maybe Delhi, Mumbai? What is so different in Dubai?
अब तो दुबई इज लाइक होम. सो नाउ एनीवेयर वी ट्रैवल वी जस्ट वांट टू कम बैक.
हाँ,
पहले होता था इंडिया से ट्रैवल करते थे तो मेरी और चेतन की हमेशा लड़ाई हो रही होती थी कि साल में एक हॉलीडे जाएंगे बट 14 डेज जाएंगे.
yeah.
नाउ इट्स लाइक कि 5 डेज में वी वांट टू कम बैक नो मैटर विच पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वी आर इन. सेफ्टी है प्लस वो मेरा तो मेन कंसर्न था ही सेफ्टी टू
Okay.
मूव.
Okay, because you have two daughters.
यस.
Okay.
और मेरे को लगता था कि शायद मेरे को बेटर रहेगा क्योंकि मैं उनको लिफ्ट में भी नीचे नहीं जाने दूंगी.
Yeah.
तो मैं उनको बचपन से सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में ना डरा रही हूँ. Right? And I don't want to live, I don't want them to live in that fear.
Yeah, I agree.
तो वो सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में अगर बस जाएगा ना, when they grow up also, they will not know what's bothering them. But it is the childhood that's bothering them that, you know, हर चीज पे restriction.
So one is safety, security. What else? और क्या difference है major cities से दुबई में?
See,
क्या
it
अच्छा
is education is also good here क्योंकि सारे international school से affiliations हैं यहाँ पे, UK से, US से, Australia से. The curriculum is international board.
Okay.
And apart from that, if you look at the pollution, as I told you, वहाँ पे pollution की बहुत दिक्कत है. यहाँ पे at least
यहाँ नहीं है वो problem.
no, I have never like touch wood in the last 3 years. मेरे को अभी इनके साथ fever, cold, cough उनकी भी problem नहीं आती है.
Very good.
So their immunity has become a lot better क्योंकि medicines नहीं जा रही है ना regularly and then body is fighting the small viruses on its own. And apart from that, food, lifestyle, everything for them has changed. It's a global culture for them. They are meeting people from all over the world. So not just, they just don't know कि दिवाली क्या है या few festivals that we celebrate in India. Now they know about the global festivals.
Yeah.
So that's another thing that, you know, they're getting that kind of...
And मुझे जो लगता है कि पूरे दुनिया की जो क्रीम है, जो top of the top 1% जो है, वो शायद दुबई आते हैं. Is it right?
See, मैंने ना कहीं पे पढ़ा था and I think it's true that Dubai is a rich man's field. So of course it's an expensive city to live in.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
And this is what they want to maintain.
Yeah.
You can't sustain here because everything is double, triple the price of what it was in your country. And if you look at the salaries, it's not like double or triple.
No.
Right? So they want only people who want to work to stay here. That's why they have very strict rules about their visas.
Okay.
Anyone who has finished their visa, if they're not working, go back.
Okay.
If you have your visa on the basis of your property, you take the visa and you sell your property, you just can't live here. You can retire here even if, like, you know, even if you plan to retire here, you have to submit your bank statements, everything, that it can support you.
Okay.
And since it's a country that doesn't give you a passport, so it's not that it's going to support the citizens and it's a tax free. So if it's not charging tax, how is it going to support, like, you know, UK, US में क्या है कि government is supporting everyone.
Yeah. Because they're charging 40%, 50% taxes on your income.
Yes, but you know, उसमें भी ये है ना, जैसे like my sister, she's there. They are paying 40 to 50% taxes.
Yeah.
Then there are people who don't want to work only.
Yeah.
And the government is supporting them. So what motivates them to even work? Right? So here it's
They
not
get
like
free
that.
money.
Yeah. So here it's not like that. Since the government is not charging tax, they don't want anyone a freeloader here. So if you are working, you are working. You can support your lifestyle, you can support. Otherwise, go.
But I think दुबई भी अब काफी steps ले रहा है कि public यहाँ पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आए. They want more people to migrate to Dubai. And जैसे golden visa के भी इन्होंने अभी norms कम करे थे.